In today's video, I am going to teach you how to integrate Klaviyo with Shopify. To begin, log into your Shopify admin dashboard. Make sure you are signed in to the correct store before you continue, since the integration will be connected directly to that Shopify account. Once you are inside the admin area, look toward the bottom of the left-hand menu and click on Settings. After that, go to Apps. This is where you can manage the tools and services connected to your Shopify store. From there, click to open the Shopify App Store. This will take you to the marketplace where you can search for new apps to add to your store. In the App Store search bar, type Klaviyo. When the results appear, choose the official Klaviyo marketing automation app. It is important to select the official app so you can be sure you are installing the correct integration for email and marketing automation features. Next, click Install. Shopify will then show you a permissions screen. This screen explains what the app will be able to access in your store. Review that information, and then click Install App to confirm. This step allows Shopify and Klaviyo to begin connecting properly. Once the app is installed, you will be asked to confirm the integration. At this point, click Integrate. This tells the system that you want Klaviyo to sync with your Shopify store and begin setting up the connection. After that, click Connect to Shopify. This final part links the two platforms together so Klaviyo can access your store data and help power your marketing activity. Depending on your setup, the connection may take a few moments to complete, so give it a little time if needed. As you go through this process, make sure each page fully loads before moving on to the next click. That can help prevent setup errors and make the integration smoother. If Shopify asks for confirmation at any point, just follow the on-screen prompts and continue with the connection. Once everything is connected, your Shopify store and Klaviyo account should be integrated successfully. From there, you can move forward with your marketing setup inside Klaviyo. That covers everything you need to know.